I love exploring the backcountry of British Columbia, and this trip we were searching for new ways to access the Alpine on bikes. Not using e-bikes or chairlifts or gondolas or helicopters, but just our own 2 feet and noggins with a dash of determination. Molybdenite Ridge near Lillooet caught my eye as some mining exploration has already been carried out there, and a rough road reaching higher elevations has resulted. As I did some more research online, early exploration dates back to the 1890s, and there's some interesting geology in the area. The lake is absolutely stunning in the morning. I don't know the name of it, actually. I don't know, is it Molybdenite Lake? I'm not sure, but that's what I'm gonna call it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Have coffee next to. You can hear the stream trickling out of it. This is an incredible place to wake up. Surrounded by peaks. It gets nice early morning sun. And time to make some brekkie. An old sliver of a mining track led directly from the lake up into the Alpine, and from there we could explore where it was possible to bike. And the views just got better and better.
The color of that lake is awesome. It's fun to go places where I don't think anyone's ever biked before. And the scenery is spectacular. The backdrop of these beautiful lakes, colorful streaks on the mountains, absolutely incredible.
While only scratching the surface of the potential in the area, we unfortunately had to leave to go back to those things called jobs, even though the beauty of the place was pulling me to stay. The challenge turned out to be rewarding, and the adventure is addictive. Music in this video by Stacxk and Bodysurfer. Thank you for watching. See you on the next adventure.